Hello, I am Boby Basnet. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to feed raw eggs to cows in a safe and simple way. This is your occasional trait, so make sure to follow its steps closely. Step number 1. Check egg quality. Always begin with fresh, clean eggs. Inspect them for a crack or sign of spoilage, and you want to use the best quality eggs to avoid the contamination risks. Step number 2. Crack the egg. Crack the raw eggs in front of your goat or into a clean bowl. Sometimes showing the goat and the egg being cracked can stir curiosity, making them more likely to cry it. Step number 3. Offer the egg. Now place the egg, both the yolk and the white, in a clean bowl or barracky and a flat clean surface. Allow the goat to approach and inspect it. Step number 4. Monitor the goat. Watch how the goat reacts. Some goats may be curious and eat the egg quickly, while others might hesitate or ignore it entirely. Number 5. Remove excess. If the goat does not eat the egg after a few minutes, make sure to remove it. This helps prevent spoilage or any risk of bacterial growth. Step number 6. Feed in moderation. Start with 1 egg and feed raw eggs only on rare occasion. Goats have sensitive digestive system, so too many eggs could cause issue. Step number 7. Monitor for reaction after feeding. Keep an eye on your goat for any sign of digestive upset like a diarrhea. If you notice any problem, stop feeding them eggs and consult your bacteriologist. Similarly, feeding soil to goat offers several key benefits that are essential for their health and well-being. Firstly, it helps maintain electrolyte balance, ensuring proper hydration, supporting muscle and nerves function, which is particularly important in hot weather. Additionally, it starts to meet cell evaporation, improving digestion and nutrient absorption, making it easier for a goat to break down their feed. It also encourages an increased appetite, which is especially beneficial for picky eaters. Full Prasad Dalal wants to serve his idea on feeding eggs to goats, and is surely bred to explore his perception on the benefit, potential risks, and practical recommendation.
सर यो अब बाख्रालाई चाहिँ अन्डा खुवाउनुको कारण भनेको अब तपाईको लुते लाङ्रे यस्तो हुँदाखेरि तपाईलाई दिनको एउटा अन्डा चाहिँ मजाले खुवाइयो भने चाहिँ अनि साथसाथै फेरि मकैको च्याख्ला पिठो हो यो मिसाएर चाहिँ दिनैपछि खुवाइयो भने चाहिँ तपाईको यसको उत्पादन अब राम्रो हुन्छ। भएन फेरि अब लुते लाङ्रेबाट एकदम ज्यानदार हुन्छन्, खानेकुराहरू घाँसपातहरू मजाले खान्छन्। त्यही भएर चाहिँ अब खुवाउन थालेको, अब हाम्रा बाउबाजेले नै खुवाएको देखेर चाहिँ मैले पनि खुवाउन थालेको हो।
Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful and want to see more content like this, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more valuable insights. Bye bye and see you next time.